I'm going to work on this problem backwards. What does that mean? Well, I'm going to start with this scenario. After Blake spent $20 and Adam spent $60, Blake had 3 times as much money as Adam. So the after scenario is this. If this rectangle represents the money Adam had after he spent $60, then 3 copies of Adam's rectangle must represent the money Blake had after he spent $20. So this is how I'm going to start this problem. Now I have the original scenario. Adam originally had this rectangle plus $60, and Blake originally had these 3 rectangles plus $20 because Blake spent $20 and Adam spent $60. Now the catch is these two amounts are exactly the same. This rectangle plus $60 is same as these 3 rectangles plus $20. So how do we make sense of that visually? So let's represent what we have here on this slide slightly differently. So instead of writing Adam originally had a rectangle plus $60. I'm going to write it like so. $20 plus $40 is Adam's $60. And Blake, I didn't change Blake's representation much. Now, this is helpful because I can subtract $20 from each amount. These two quantities in the green box must be the same. And this is an important step, and you want to pause here and reflect why I'm making such a claim. If I subtract 20 from Adam's amount, 20 from Blake's amount, Blake will be left with 3 rectangles and Adam will be left with 1 rectangle plus $40. Since these two amounts are the same, each rectangle must represent $20. Once again, this is an important step and you want to make sure you understand it. So, if I add the total amount each boy had, each sum should be $80. Adam had 20 plus 40 plus 20, which is $80. And Blake also had 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20, which is also $80. Shouldn't surprise us. They had the same amount. So the answer is $80. That's my answer.